Hello everyone! Today we are excited to guide you step by step through crocheting a charming flower. Perfect for beginners and guaranteed to brighten your day. Begin by creating a magic ring. Chain 1 and work 12 half double crochets into the ring. If you find the magic ring challenging, you can chain 3, slip stitch into the first chain to form a ring. Chain 1 and then make 12 half double crochets into the ring. Now we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. After finishing the 12 half double crochets, cut the yarn. Now pull the yarn. For a seamless slip stitch, we're gonna insert the hook into the back of the first chain. Then pull the yarn through from the back. Then insert your hook into the back loop of the last stitch and pull through again. Now we have a seamless slip stitch right here. Secure the yarn. And now cut the excess yarn. And the base of your flower is now complete. Next, switch to the purple yarn and make a slip knot. Then grab the base and begin in any chain, working only in the front loop, and start with a chain of 3. 1, 2, and 3. In the next chain, work 2 triple crochet together. We have 1, and 2. Pulling through all 3 loops, chain 3, and slip stitch into the next chain to complete the first petal. Then chain 3 in the same stitch. Then make 2 triple crochets together in the next chain. We have 1 and 2. Pull through all 3 loops. Chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and slip stitch into the next chain. Now you have 2 petals. Repeat this pattern until you have 6 petals. For the last 2 chains right here, slip stitch into the next chain, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and make 2 triple crochets together on the next chain. We have 1 and 2. Pull through all those 3 loops, chain 3, and finish with a slip stitch into the first petal. Chain 1, and now continue working on the back of the flower by making a slip stitch. And now we completely done our 6 petals right here. Now let's begin with a chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then work 2 double triple crochets together in the next chain. Now we have 1, and 2. Pull through all 3 loops and chain 4. Slip stitch into the next chain, and chain 4 at the same stitch. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're gonna repeat the pattern. Make 2 double triple crochets together, we have 1, and 2. Pull through all 3 loops, chain 4, and slip stitch into the next chain. Now you have 2 large petals right here. Then we're gonna repeat this pattern until you have 6 large petals. For the final petals, we have 2 chains left. Then we're gonna make a slip stitch, then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then make 2 double triple crochets on the next chain, we have 1, and 2. Pull through all 3 loops, chain 4, and slip stitch on the first chain. Then we're gonna secure the yarn right here. And now we finish the 6 large petals at the back. Cut and secure the yarn. Then we're gonna tidy up at the back. Now our layered flower is complete. Fluff and shape the petals so your creation truly blooms. And now you can see our project here is complete. We hope you enjoy making these flowers with us. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe, leave a comment below, and share it with your friends.